Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. It is an uncharacteristically sunny day today and I've decided it's time for a little bit more prototype track work. We're going to give the Grasshopper a run around the new layout and also the M05 RA. And the thinking is this is probably one of the slowest cars that we've got because it's got the 380 silver can in it. And this one here is a representation of how the rally cars are going to jump. So we're going to go and give it a go and see how these two get on. If these two cope with the track, I've got a feeling anything's going to cope with it. Well, we're back in. I had fun, but definitely some work to do still on the track. So this one really struggled to make the jump at all, to be honest, with the 380 in. But once it got going, it wasn't too bad. Once I changed the sort of the track limits and allowed it not to have to jump over something, it was fine. Always lands on the nose, but I think that's just something that the Grasshopper's got to live with, to be quite honest. Maybe we'll see an improvement when we put that 380 Sports tune to give it a bit more oomph in there. That thing, I had so much fun with. I mean, look at the mud on the wheels at the front, and you can't see. You can see a little bit of what's inside there, but if I go under there, you can see that there's so much mud in there. It is unreal. I've got a big clean-up job to do. Probably tomorrow once all this is dried, so I can just brush it all off. This thing jumped really well, but I think it needs to have sort of a launch ramp and then a landing ramp. Otherwise, I'm going to trash these cars because they kind of land flat. I certainly won't be putting any of the other rally cars out until I've worked that out. Mainly because they're a lot better than this, so I don't want to ruin anything. But actually, as far as test runs go, really impressed. I don't think I will change the layout now. I think I'll go with it as it is, and now work on that landing ramp the other side. Maybe another set of the skate ramps. And I noticed in the last couple of jumps I did, I put that sort of matting down on the ramp, and it actually jumped really well. So I don't know whether I need matting down on the jump and matting down on the landing. Maybe we'll try that for prototype run 3. But really pleased, guys. Thanks for watching as always. I hope you haven't found it too mundane watching this footage, and whatever you're doing, enjoy yourself. See you soon.